Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's quickly learn this beautiful hairstyle together again. You can see what is on my hand, just pieces of Ankara fabric. So I folded it the way you saw it now, placing it on my head from the back. So the division is just equal. Fold it to equal part, they are equal. Now bringing it together this way, I raise it up and then knot it just once. Knot it just once. I bet you the style is very easy, very simple but elegant. Trust me, it will always be elegant. Alright, you can see it now. I knotted it just once. Now pay close attention to my hands and see what I'm going to do next. I'm just checking to make sure I'm not using the wrong side of the fabric. So holding it down from the middle, both sides, hold it down from the middle. Wash now is very easy. So with your pieces of Ankara material, you look elegant. So you knot it again, holding it down from the middle, you knot it. After knotting it now, you're now having 4 pointed side. You cannot see it, it's now 4 pointed side. So this side now is what you're going to use your office pin and join them together. Pay close attention to my hand now. I've picked my office pin. Now I've pinned that first part now. Watch, I'm going to use another pin. Join it together with this one now that I've raised up, as you can see. So the style is very easy, very simple but elegant. Alright, so after using office pin to pin that one, I'm still going wash now. I've picked my office pin to pin it together. I'm still going to use another office pin to pin this side I'm holding now. Wash, pay close attention. I'll pin it there now. So at the end, the 4 points will be pointing out. I don't know whether it's the 4 cardinal points. Very soon we'll start having 4 cardinal points as head wrap. If I forgive you, head wrap is funny, so just pick up pieces of something that you just create one funny thing but beautiful on your head. So you can see now, after doing that now, you arrange your head wrap and the head wrap is ready. You're ready to rock the party. Just look at it now, how beautiful and elegant it is. Alright, so the person you're hearing our voice is Demi Gele Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. So that is what the back looks like. Please don't forget, drop your like and your comments. Subscribe, don't just watch and walk away. Subscribe, let's learn together. Share my video, let other people also benefit from it. Alright, so thank you very much, my newest subscriber and my old subscriber. Kudos to you all. I love you all. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.